whenever that went in, it spread the quarter panels out.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
So I am back onto this Honda Civic. I got this back end all squared up last week.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one was hit in the back, down low. It's going to be this one. It's like everything is pushed up just a couple millimeters. I'm gonna do what they call a live pull on this. So I'm gonna leave this on the point. I got this one lining up really nice. All my gaps look good. And now I have to go ahead and cut this brace off the bottom here and get this new one put on there. And then after that, this one will be just about wrapped up, ready to go over to fill. All right, I got this bracket all fit up. It's sitting up in there nice. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get it welded in. On to my next one. This one's actually kind of similar to the one I just did, that Honda Civic. It is hit in the back, new rear body panel, and then it actually spread out the quarter panels. You can see the gaps here are big. So whenever it got hit, whenever that went in, it spread the quarter panels out. So I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna pull it and bring that back out where it's supposed to be, and those quarter panels should walk in. And you could also, might not be able to see it, the sun's kind of beaming in the window, but there's buckles in the quarter panels, light ones. Should take the stress off of those as well whenever this comes out. So I'm gonna make a pull on it. All right, I got this one all fit up. Tail lights and everything are all lining up pretty decent, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna cut this rear body panel off and get it out of the way and start fitting up my new one.